Okay, calm, breathe. We can do this together. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Saving Mamacita. We are extra hyped today. We are extra freaking hype because guess who's back? Workspacepark is back. Back in town, baby. Workspacepark. I am so excited to get another box from them. It has been a hot minute. It has. But I'm so excited because this box is, if you guys missed my last Workspacepark video, oh my gosh, it was legit. I freaking really enjoyed that box. So I am super excited to see if they can top their last box. Are you guys ready? Let's go ahead and do a Workspacepark. Workspacepark is a monthly subscription box. It starts out at $47.99 a month. And most subscriptions, you can subscribe for a longer period of time. And once you're locked into that, they do give you a discount. So Workspacepark is definitely one of those boxes that you can do that with. So if you want to check them out, go to workspacespark.com and check out their websites. I have to say, you guys, there's something in here that is a little messy. It actually came in a bag. It was wrapped in a bag. And the box was in the bag. So I think like the postal service actually put a bag around it to protect it because it got a little messy. So I'm a little nervous to open the box, but at the same time, I'm very excited because I want to see what's inside.
A few moments later.
Workspacepark, here it is. It comes in this orangey yellow box. It is pretty big. And it's heavy. This one is heavy. And then it has like the Workspacepark logo on top, which is in red. It might look kind of orange on camera, but it is red. And then it has like the logo and name around the box as well. So something just came out of here. So let's go ahead and open this right now. You guys ready? It has the fun confetti inside. Boom, there goes the top postcard. And it has orange confetti and all of the items inside the box. Can you guys see what's in there yet? No, but there's sand coming out of it through the cracks. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this particular box has a postcard on it, which you guys know I love. I love the intensely descriptive brochures or postcards or description paper. I love that because I really love to see what's in the box and I love to see the value next to each item. And that is a great thing that Workspacepark does, is they have all the items on it along with their values. So let's go ahead and start. I'm gonna take this item out first. It looks like it is a little glass. This glass is called Out of Office glass. It is a $9 value. It says, take a sip while you take a break. Nothing says summer like a cute out of office glass. This out of office glass is super cute. It has like little coral, I don't know, it looks like little coral leaves on it. And it is a glass. It's X and O celebrations, $9 on this value. So next up, we've got a fan here, but it's covered with sand. I know that is not supposed to be like that, but it is. This is a USB foldable desk fan. This is a value of $19.99. Stay cool this summer with this cute USB desk fan. So let me just dump that sand back in the box. This is cute. It's a fan, and it looks like they have an area for batteries. You can put the batteries in there, like so. So a cute little desk fan. $19.99 value on that. I love that idea. And I love that it's yellow. This is from Sun and Swell. You deserve a break. We know you will love these tasty and nutritious grab-and-go snacks. This is a $3 value. Gotta love snacks at work, guys. Next we have, oh, this must be for this is a USB cord. That must be for the foldable desk fan that plugs into that. So you can use it by your computer, wherever you have a USB port, that will come in handy. Next up, we have, it looks like we have two more things left on here in the box. I'm gonna try to stand up here a little bit and show you guys. It got kind of messy in here. Really messy, actually. Okay, so in this little plastic bubble wrap thingy-me-bobber, there is a sand and there is a little block. What this is that's making such a mess is actually a tabletop Zen garden kit. Create a serenely scenic escape from your workday with this tabletop Zen garden kit. Now, I have seen these before. These are so cool and so much fun, and I can see where it would be awesome to kind of take your minds off of things and kind of just take a brain break with this Zen garden. I'm gonna try to take this out. It's already sand all over the place, and you can see it was kind of ripped on the top, so that is where all the sand is coming from. But it has a lot of rocks in it. It has different tools for it. But what I'm gonna do, you guys, since it is kind of a hot mess right now, I'm just gonna leave a photo down here so you can see what it actually looks like when it's all put together, because I don't think I'm gonna be able to do this, like put it together right now for you guys, because it is very, very messy and the sand is like everywhere. There's one more thing inside the box on the very bottom, along with some sand. It is a journal. This journal is called I Need Some Serious Me Time. And this journal is a $16 value. It says, enjoy these solitude-inspiring prompts to help you get a little me time this summer, or any time, really. So looking through the journal, oh yeah. So inside there are actually like different quotes and different inspirational things. And then there's like a little space for you to write things. Like it gives you a prompt that says, why I need me time today. So why do you need me time today? You would list that information in there. And what I'd rather be doing all by myself and totally alone. Sleeping, having a cocktail, maybe relaxing by the beach, doing some yoga, meditation, that kind of thing. So yeah, throughout the book, there's like different inspirational quotations and just a time for you to kind of reflect and take your mind off from the day-to-day stresses of life. So this is a very cool journal. 16 bucks, awesome, very awesome. That is everything in the box, you guys. Okay, so let's do a quick review and then we're gonna do our thing with the Rate That Box. Again, the journal, the Zen Garden, the Cocoa Sun and Swell, the Out of Office Glass, finally, the USB desk fan. So all of those things in the box, you guys, for the Workspace box, and $47.99 is the price on that. Let's go ahead and do our thing. We are about to rate the box. Let's rate that box, rate that box, rate that box, rate that box. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna rate the box. And what we do when we rate the box is we rate it on a scale of 1 to 10. And we rate it on a variety of factors. And those factors include random order. We've got the variety of the box, the presentation of the box, and the price value of the box, as well as the quality and just the overall unboxing experience. So I want you guys to really think about it and think about what you would give this box, because I want to see if we are on the same wavelength here, like you and me, like we're seeing this. What I really liked about this box is the variety of the box. You know, they really included different things that kind of like thought outside of the box. No pun intended there. but they really thought outside the box. And when you look at the value, you're looking at 20, 40, doing the math in my head, 40, 56. I don't know, it's probably like around $75, $80 value, just roughly in my head. You pay $47.99. For the value, it is pretty decent. The quality of some of these items, you know, I was really bummed out about that Zen garden. Like, I'm sure I can get some new sand and I can create my own Zen garden with the items in there. But it was a mess. Like, it was a hot mess. I'm wondering if maybe they could have packaged it better. I love the value. I love seeing what I'm getting for my money. You know, $47.99 is a fair price. It's definitely a fair price. Many subscription boxes are between that $30 and $50 range on average. What do you think this box should get? Let me know down in the comments what you think that you would rate this box. So we're gonna go ahead, let's do it right now. Drum roll, please. Workspacespark, you are gonna get a 6. Not too bad. Definitely not too bad. A little bit above average, but I'm gonna say the items were very well thought out. Great ideas, but the packaging, I thought that could have been improved. So I can't love it. I can't love it. I just can't do that right now. 6 for Workspacespark. If you guys are interested in checking it out for yourself, go ahead and check out their website, workspacespark.com, right down there. If you like the video, please give me a like, hit that subscribe button, and keep on dancing, guys. We got more boxes to come. See you guys in the next one.